Running an Alteryx workflow in sequence involves ensuring that tools process data in the desired order within the workflow canvas. Here's how to ensure your workflow runs smoothly. Total connection. Arrange tools on the workflow canvas in the order you want them to execute. Connect the output anchor of one tool to the input anchor of the next tool to define the flow of data. Tool configuration. Double-click on each tool to configure its settings according to your data processing needs. For example, set parameters for data input, transformations, and outputs. Error checking. Before running the workflow, check for any configuration errors or warnings indicated by tool icons. Resolve any issues to ensure the workflow runs correctly. Run workflow. Click the Run button on the toolbar to execute the workflow. Alteryx processes data from the input through each connected tool according to the sequence defined on the canvas. Monitor progress. During execution, monitor the progress bar to track the workflow's execution status and identify any bottlenecks or delays. Review results. After completion, review the results in the results window or any configured output destinations to ensure the workflow achieved the desired outcomes. Optimize and iterate. If necessary, optimize the workflow by refining tool configurations or adjusting the sequence based on performance or data processing needs.